Summer is just around the corner, and even though many places and events are back open, COVID-19 is still out there. Molly Jett sat down with a grandmother who lost her child to COVID-19 and also talked with a doctor who says the fight is not over.
Valerie Johnson's life changed with one phone call from her daughter, Nanisha Janae Johnson.
She called me. She said, "Mama, I'm coming to Macon to the hospital because something ain't right. I don't feel good." And when she got to the medical center, she found out she had COVID, and she never made it home.
Nanisha was 32 years old and 6 months pregnant when she died.
So they ended up having to deliver the baby.
According to Atrium Health Navicent Chief Clinical Officer Dr. Sandy Duke, COVID-19 hospitalizations are down, but the virus is not gone.
The time is now to get your vaccine, to protect yourself and your family from COVID and from the spread of COVID, and to eliminate the risks of serious outcomes.
He says the state is seeing about 4 times as many cases as a month ago, from 300 cases a day in April to 1,200.
We have a lot more home tests, antigen tests. You can get free antigen tests now from the government. And so these numbers probably dramatically underestimate the number of cases of COVID that we're seeing in the community.
So Duke is asking you to get vaccinated, especially ahead of any summer travel.
This is now a pandemic of the unvaccinated.
Valerie says she repeatedly asked Nanisha to get vaccinated, but she never did.
She said, "Mama, I don't want the vaccine." I said, "Nisha, you got to realize you're not just breathing for yourself."
Valerie is now raising 2 grandchildren, hoping to change one person's mind about the vaccine.
I'll tell anybody, please get the vaccine, because I lost my child, and it's hard to lose a child.
In Macon, Molly Jett, 13W MAZ News.
And she says her daughter gave birth to a healthy son who's now 8 months old. His name is Legend. Her daughter left behind 5 children.